Hello everyone, welcome back to WordPress Smasher. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of installing a new theme on your WordPress website. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to freshen up your site's look, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard and install a free theme. There are many websites where you can install a free theme. Here I recommend you to install a free theme using Rishi Themes website. Type Rishi Themes in the search engine, click on download, type the information and press enter. Now you will receive a mail. Open your Gmail and click on that mail. After clicking, it starts downloading. When the theme is downloaded, go to your WordPress dashboard again. Click Appearance in the dashboard and select Theme. Click on Add New Theme. Choose the Rishi theme you installed and Install button. It will take some time. After theme installation, go to Theme and install plugins required. Now just go to Theme Detail and install Rishi Companion plugin. Wait for a moment until the plugin is installed. Go to Theme Details again. Click on Starter Sites. Choose the theme you would like. It's according to your choice or website you want to create. Here I will use Education theme because I need a learning website. Start importing when all the content and plugins of the theme are importing. Click on View Site and you have a theme installed on your WordPress website. As you see now, you can change the content and images according to your requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully installed a new theme on your WordPress website. Remember, the theme you choose plays a big role in your site's design and functionality, so take your time in selecting one that resonates with your brand or content. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.